fancy when we're back into Vancouver downtown. Let's see.
And as we head back into False Creek, keep your eye out for more of those little seals and stuff. They do like to pop their heads up every once in a while. And there are still lots of efforts being made to make sure False Creek stays nice and clean and continue to clean it up. I don't know if anyone's ever heard of the sea bins, but it's a little bit of a garbage can that pops just slightly underwater every once in a while to collect anything that's just on the surface of the water. They've installed 3 of those in False Creek, and so far they've collected a fair bit of garbage, a lot of microplastics and stuff like that. It's able to capture cans and wrappers as well. And empty them every day, and they actually sort through them every month to see what kind of garbage ends up around here. So it's a pretty good initiative that we got going. And as we start to look back at Granville Island from a different angle now, you can also see that some of these buildings look like old factories. Unfortunately, that one in front of us is covered up a little bit there, but that's because these older buildings are actually old factories. They have been renovated just to kind of keep them a little bit nicer. And if you're looking for any snacks or food after this, the market will definitely be a great option if you're not too sure what to get. Lots of different foods from all over the world to pick from. We've also got Tap and Grill Bridges here, this big yellow building. It's got a great patio, as you can see. And lots of different food to pick from there as well if you want to take a seat. And just around the corner behind us is the sandbar. Great if you're looking for some seafood of any sorts.
These yachts.
And you can just see just behind all those boats, you might be able to make it out just a little bit. This big blue building, and that is the Fisherman's Wharf. And if you're looking for some fish and chips, that is another great option. Here they got fresh fish and chips every single day. It's a little bit of a longer walk, but if you are committed enough, it'll be a great taste. I again have not been myself, but I've heard amazing things.